Mari bergabung dengan Master Marine 1 juta video dunia maritim untuk mengenal dunia maritim. Jangan lupa subscribe karena subscribe itu gratis.
Everyone, my name is Suji, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to ask and answer 10 most basic questions in English. There are 3 videos in this series and we have come to the 3rd video. In the 2nd video, we have learned how to ask where someone is from, how to ask someone's name, and how to ask contact detail. Now, let's move on to the next question. How to ask where someone lives. When you want to know someone's address or when you want to know where someone lives, what do you think is the right question to it? Where do you live? Yes, that's correct. And how do you think you should answer this question? You can simply say, I live in blah blah blah. I live in Jakarta or I live in Tangerang. In a more formal way, in a more formal situation, for example, when you are in an interview and when you are filling a registration form, someone might ask you a question, what is your address? And you can answer, my address is in plus your complete address. So 2 ways to ask where someone lives. Where do you live and what is your address? The next question that we're going to learn is how to ask where someone studied. This is a good small talk and a very good conversation starter. So how do you ask this question, where someone studied? The question to this can be, where did you go to school, university, or college? Where did you go to, blah blah blah. And you answer this using a past form. I went to State University of Jakarta, for example. So you use the word went instead of go, because that is the past form of go. So what do you think is a good follow-up questions to this? Where did you go to school? I went to State University of Jakarta. The follow-up question to this could be, what was your major? Or what did you study? And you can say, my major was English literature, for example. So you use was instead of is because it's the past form of the to be. The 3rd question that we're going to learn is how to ask someone's age. I know it's not really common or not really polite to ask for someone's age, but this is one of the most basic questions in English. So, how do you say when you want to know about someone's age? How old are you? So if someone say, how old are you? What should you say? You can just say, I'm plus the number. I'm 27, for example. Or you can add the word years old at the end of the number. I'm 27 years old. The most common mistake when answering this question is by mentioning the word age. My age is blah blah blah. This one is wrong. So don't say the word age. Just simply say, I'm 17 years old or I'm 17. The last question in this video is how to ask someone's brother or sister. Also, this is a good conversation starter and a very good small talk. If you want to know about someone's brother or sister, what do you think you should ask the person? Yes, first you can say, do you have any brother or sister? And if you do, you can say, yes I do, or no I don't. Remember, the word brother or sister can be also changed into siblings. So siblings and brother or sister mean the same. So you can also say, do you have any siblings? And you can say, yes I do, or no I don't. If you want to give more information about your brother or sister, you can add the word little or big before sister or brother, or younger or older. So, do you have any sister or brother? Yes, I do. I have 1 big brother and 1 little sister. So we have come to the last part of this series. We have covered 4 questions in this video. The first one, how to ask where someone lives, how to ask where someone studied, how to ask someone's age, and how to ask someone's brother or sister. So, now let's practice. Where do you live? Where did you go to school? How old are you? Do you have any brother or sister? Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you again in the next series.